just opened my new channel. I just want to show what I like and my culture and my tradition, as well as what I get inspired from nature, the smell of the air, the weather, anything I'm putting into my work. So follow my journey.
If anyone ever asked me what food you have to choose to eat for your entire life, I wouldn't have any hesitate but saying it's a sweet potato. Since it's naturally sweet and nutritious with full of fiber, it's been my main resource of carbohydrate since I was young. So making this cake almost feels like making a breakfast for me. It was my first time making colored buttercream, and I realized water-based coloring doesn't blend well into buttercream. 잘 먹었습니다.